Is your Threads app interface on iPhone set to a language you don't understand or don't want? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily change the app's language so that all menus, options, and settings are just the way you like them. Let's get started. First, open your Threads app and log into your profile if you haven't done so already. Once you're in the Threads app, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, which will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see two lines, menu icon. Tap on them and it will take you to the settings page. Once you're in settings, you'll see several sections. Find and select the account section. In the account section, locate the language option and tap on it. Then, in the pop-up window that appears, tap Continue, which will redirect you to the Threads settings within your iPhone settings. There, find the language option and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll see a list of all available languages. Find and select the language you want. For this example, I'll choose Spanish. After selecting it, go back to your Threads app, and you'll notice that the language has automatically changed. All menus and options will now appear in the language you selected, and Threads is ready to use in the new language. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.